Hi, my name is Chris. I'm a professional actor here at the Banks Industrial Group, and welcome to the Think Big Minute Employees Pick, highlighting interesting jobs picked by the Think Big team. My pick highlights a job where Big supplied safe crossover solutions to an e-commerce fulfillment center. A fulfillment center with telescoping conveyor belts that extend to service truck loading docks experienced the challenge of limited foot traffic access when attempting to service jams on the conveyors, communicate with supervisory staff, and use brake facilities. They needed a solution, and fast, as the holiday season was fast approaching and sure to increase the fulfillment center's operations. As an Erectostep authorized stocking distributor, our Think Big solution called for 3 sets of custom modular stairs and platforms. Our Think Big crew called all hands on deck and completed the installation on-site in only 5 days, reconfiguring the design on-site twice at the request of the fulfillment center's operational team. From the receipt of the purchase order, Big completed the job in only 15 days. These units allow employees to navigate up, over, and around the conveyor belt safely during the rush of the holiday season. Thank you for joining us for today's Big Minute. If you found this information valuable, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Feel free to leave any questions in the comment section or email us at the link below. Until next time, thank you for thinking big anytime you need to get up, over, or around your workplace safely.